we just got this here today. It just came. It's impact wrench. Let me go check something out. We're gonna go check and see if I can tighten up the Blazer tires. See if I have the right lug nuts for it. They're the right size here. Let's see. Now, when I'm done with this video, I gotta make sure the impact wrench ain't tight when I store it away. Let's go check and see. It's, what we got here. I try to tighten these lug nuts. See if they're, see what's going on here. See. That's too big. It's too small. This one here is right. Probably the one that I need. Hold on. I gotta take these caps off. Okay, yeah. These caps have to come off. Okay, let me get these caps off. That is the right one. We're going to do this here. And stuff. So, we got the impact wrench set at 100 right there. I don't know what you guys can see. Focus. There's 100 and the 0. Now we're going to see if we can tighten this. It only needs one click. That slips. It's not the right impact, not the right size. So let me go and see what size we got. Just bear with me here. Might be a 19. Hold on. I thought I had the right one. Too big. Let's see. This is 18. Too small. 21's too big. 18's too small. That says it's a 21. Is it 19? Bingo, 19. Now, we're going to see. There's one. There's two. Only supposed to make it one click. There's that one. Now, let me see what this one is. Let's take this off. Remember, one click. There's that. There's snug to 100 foot-pounds. Now we're going to check this out. Let me put these caps back on so I do not forget them. But yeah, I hate these caps. Caps are a pain. But one cap I don't have. Boy, the rest of them should be 19. Okay. Let's check this out. Let's take these caps off. I don't know what these are already torqued at, but We're gonna find out. My wife, I picked this out. This is a 10 by 10 and 180 foot-pounds. Now I gotta read up on, see what the 10 is. But I like this blue and black. I have to show this to my wife then. She didn't get to see it, so I will show it to her. And we still are at 100. One click, number. One click, that's 100. There's that one. There's that one. There's that one. There's that one. They're all torqued to 100. So we gotta go around and do the other side too, just to make sure. Because I don't know if they had these wheels off. Well, me and my friend Will did, to put brake lines on this side of the Blazer, and we're going to check it out here. I take the camera around the other side, so just bear with me. Oh, I wanted to show you this here. It's there it is. That's what foot-pounds each it is. Okay, let me see if I get you right here. I don't know. This one looks like a lug nut's or a thing is missing on this one. Black caps. But some of these tires are no good. I mentioned something to her daughter again about this damn thing. You know, but hey, here we go. Let's listen. 1, 2, 3. There, they're all torqued down to 100. Now we gotta do the front one on this side. Everything gets torqued down to 100. That's good, because when I go to put my wife's brakes on, I can use this here to tighten it up too. This is a 19 out of the other thing I had. Let's go check this now. Okay. I know I had this one off. Demonstrate. But the impact wrench. These black caps don't be this tight. I don't know. But anyway, you can do a lot with these impact wrenches. A whole lot. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There. All the tires are set. Is done. All of them. They're at 100 foot-pounds. Where they say you can set them at. First, you only go at the first click, and that's it. So that's what I did. 100 foot-pounds tight enough. So we're going to go inside. We're going to go inside now. Oh, gotta get my tools out here. Oh, I know these are 19. One bolt is one bolt is 21. Okay, let's go. And let's do this. So, like I said, get a good deal on getting this impact wrench, 1/2 inch. So I got it. If I would have got 3/8, it probably would have been too small. So anyway, let me do this again. We're gonna adjust this down. We're gonna adjust this back down to here. We're gonna take it and we're gonna wind it back out. Take pressure off the spring. Is that 40? Yeah. Now, this is what it is, so you can see it. Focus. There. Turn it this way. Okay. So now let's put this back in the package. Back in the box. Like I said, it's a nice impact wrench. And it's pretty nice. Got directions for it. You got more directions for it. Or it's a little chart. I can't say directions. There's a little chart. Okay, so let me go and let me show my wife this so she can see it. So she'll see she didn't see it. Okay, folks, well, I'm going to say, I hope you like this video. Got to get our subscribers up. We're still at 209. Let's get them up higher. And I try to put out the best videos I can for you folks. So I'm gonna put this video up. Leave a comment. Hit the notification bell. And I'll see you on the next one. Enjoy the video.